As the seasons change, so must our beauty products. Hi, I'm Julie Hartsfield with Heartfelt Beauty, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, hair. I've been a hairdresser for a couple years now. As a hairdresser, I know that you cannot use the same hairstyling product all year long and expect consistent results because the environment isn't consistent. If you have fine, straight hair like I do, you probably will have limp, flat hair in the hot, humid summer months and staticky, flyaway hair in the winter. In this installment of our Summertime Products series, we're going to make a volumizing hair foam. This foam will be based on rice and bamboo to give volume and shine. A foam is lightweight. When you think about styling products and how they're going to affect the hair, you have to consider two different things. You have to think about the hold of the product and how it's going to build the structure and the holding power into your style, but you also have to think about the weight. If you have fine hair and it's reacting with the humidity and the heat of the summertime, you can't put something super heavy like a gel and expect that fine limp hair to be able to hold up the structure of the style. So a foam is the perfect answer. We're going to build in some styling polymers and some heat protection and have a beautiful foam that will give you volume and shine and keep your style through the whole summer day. Let's go make your new favorite product. My rice and bamboo foam is so simple to make. Once you have the basic idea how to create one, you can change up your polymers, extracts, and special raw materials and create endless possibilities of foaming hair products. The formula has 3 phases. Phase A is the heated water phase. Phase B, which is essentially your cool down phase, and Phase C, which is the magical foaming phase. Phase A, the heated phase, includes VPVA copolymer as the styling polymer. You can find this at Making Cosmetics as hair fix powder. This fixative polymer is my favorite for products for fine hair. Polymers are the part of styling products that give the product hold, so your selection is vital to your product's effectiveness. VPVA copolymer is non-ionic, which means it washes out easily and has excellent brushability. You can use it in all kinds of products that have a high water phase: gels, sprays, glazes, and foams. It's clear when it's dissolved in water, which is great when you want to make a crystal clear gel or spray. If I only got to pick one styling polymer to use in products forever for my personal hair, this is the one I couldn't live without. Propanediol, or propanediol, I've heard it pronounced both ways, so who knows, is a humectant without the stickiness of glycerin. Humectants increase hydration, and hydrated hair has less static. Propanediol may also boost preservatives and increase flash foam, which means you could use less surfactant for your foam. I love bamboo extract in stylers for fine hair. It moisturizes, smooths, and adds shine and strength to the hair without weighing it down like some traditional shine-enhancing ingredients can. Formulator Sample Shop's Rice Curl Complex has been making its way into so many of my personal products lately. It conditions, hydrates, and protects the hair while enhancing curl retention. And this curl retention works on naturally curly hair or hair curled with a thermal styling tool. Vegan Kerazyme Protect, also from Formulator Sample Shop, nourishes, conditions, improves manageability, and adds thermal protection to your styling products. Vegan Kerazyme Protect utilizes a unique complex derived from bamboo, hydrolyzed proteins, and Trametes versicolor extract to reinforce the cuticle and prevent hair color fading. You can use it in styling products like gels, foams, or sprays, or in care products like shampoos, conditioners, and treatments. Our bubbly foam comes from coca-metapropyl hydroxysultane. This is an amphoteric surfactant, meaning it changes from a positive to a negative charge depending on the pH. This is my favorite surfactant for fine hair foams, but you can use another mild amphoteric surfactant if you'd like. This one seems to give the hair a more textured feel, which is great for silky, soft, flat hair. My second favorite is loramidopropyl betaine, which has a lighter feel to it. And if I only had one amphoteric surfactant to use personally, it would be loramidopropyl betaine. I just love it in everything from facial cleansers to body wash to shampoo. But if you have good old coca-metapropyl betaine already, that'll work too. And you can actually get plenty of foam with less than 0.5% that I'm using here, but I like the way that my hair feels with this amount, so play around with it. I'm making 100 grams to fill a 100 milliliter foamer bottle, so there's no math involved here in your formulating. I add 80.5 grams distilled water, then I heat it in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds to dissolve the polymer. A temperature of around 60 to 65 degrees will dissolve it quickly and won't take too long to cool. Next, I add the VP-VA copolymer at 5 grams. I measure it into a silicone bowl, then slowly add it while running my mini mixer. This prevents clumping and just generally speeds up the process. Mix it well. Allow the bubbles to clear and check to see if it is dissolved. Mix it until it's clear. Next, I add 3 grams of propanediol. I make sure to add this after the polymer to help the water cool down faster. Mix phase A and set it aside. I measure 1 gram of my bamboo extract and add it to phase A when it is at 40 degrees Celsius or below. I add 6 grams of rice curl complex and mix. Next, I measure 2.5 grams of Vegan Kerazyme Protect and mix it in well. I measure out 0.5 grams of my preservative, Liquid Germall Plus. To ensure I get all of it into my product, I add some of the liquid into my silicone bowl, mix the preservative in well, and then add it all back into my main mixing vessel. My last addition is 0.5 grams of my coca-metapropyl hydroxysultane. You can experiment with other surfactants and see how you like the hair feel and foam quality. You can have fun and see what your favorite surfactant to use is here. I'm packaging this into a 100 milliliter foamer pump bottle from SKS Bottle. Check the temperature and don't close the container until it's room temperature. And you have a rich foam that gives structure, hold, and thermal protection to your fine hair, even through the summer heat and humidity. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. Like, comment, subscribe, share beauty, spread love. I'll see you soon.